HEAL is health, enrichment, advocacy, and longevity. Health being, standard veterinary care services, preventative care, surgery, dentistry, internal medicine services. So the traditional things that people think of when they think of a veterinary hospital. But I wanted to take it an extra step and actually look for ways to enrich a pet's life. So enrichment, ways that we can help provide that is for older senior pets that aren't very mobile. We can work with them on the underwater treadmill. We can even potentially work with them on a land treadmill depending on what their preferences are. We can do exercises to help strengthen their body. We can help break some of the boredom for those little bitty brachycephalic dogs that can't walk 5 steps in the Texas heat without potentially risking their lives. We can provide supported exercise for those kind of patients. So it's a way to further enrich these pets' lives that maybe they wouldn't have gotten before. We partner with a behaviorist in the area and have some really good behavior resources. Thankfully, I've gotten pretty good on some of the basic behavior things myself. And so we want to help people understand that if you're having a behavior issue with a patient or with a pet, it's because they're unhappy about something and they're not knowing how to communicate it to you. And so a lot of times it's just about helping a client understand that maybe they need to enrich their pet's lives in a different way so that they don't act out. And so that kind of takes us into advocacy. And so with advocacy, we want to advocate for those that don't have voices. I feel like it's my responsibility, since I've spent my life dedicated to this profession, to do the best I can to speak for those that can't speak for themselves. But part of that also has to do with helping educate the owner and showing the owner the things that you're noticing so that they can notice things faster as well. Nobody knows that pet better than their pet parent. And so I help try to give people their role in their pet's care, and I think they really do appreciate being a partner in the care. And along with the advocacy, we put together some educational opportunities so that if people want to learn more about a certain subject, they can come in and we can do seminars associated with, training people on the various topics of veterinary care that they may be interested in. And so that takes us to longevity, and I really feel like pets are living longer. I see more and more big labs and even Great Danes living to be 12 to 15 to even 17 years old now. I think we've taken giant leaps in preventative care and nutrition, but what I'm seeing happening more and more is that they're perfectly healthy organ-wise, but then maybe they start to decline with their mentation. Maybe they're declining because they can't move as well as they used to. So we offer services like advanced pain management and acupuncture and nutraceutical care to really help increase the antioxidant fight within the body to battle the aging process. We have resources to help educate the owner on what things to really watch for, not just prepare for, because we still want them to be our partner. We want them to understand what's happening. We want them to understand what all the modalities are out there to help their pet continue to have a great quality of life. But we're also there to help them understand how to define quality of life, which is different for everybody.
he's gotten really good at this.